Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
I thought that there was no way that it would have enough power to do what I needed it to do. Since I've had the tool, I haven't used my air impact anymore. I've switched over to the cordless and have been very happy. Haven't found a nut or a fastener that it doesn't take off.
When I first seen them, I didn't think they would have the power, honestly, but they've got more breakout power and they don't torque your wrist near as bad as what a pneumatic one does. You're not tripping over the cord that you got laying there. It's a lot safer to work around and it's less noisy. I was very impressed with them.
As opposed to other battery-powered impacts, I've just noticed that the fuel impact lasts much longer. You don't need to constantly recharge the battery or swap out the battery. It has much more power than anything else I've seen on the market.
We're running down the anchor bolts on all the columns, so we have quite a few of them here, and I think we might have swapped out maybe 3 batteries on all the anchors that we've done so far. So, and it seems to have a lot of torque to run everything down nice and tight.
So far for a battery-operated impact, it's performing really well. Other cordless impacts I've used before, the batteries don't seem to last long, and the torque on the Milwaukee is really good. I mean, outperformed my expectations.
Increases productivity. Any road calls, you got to go out, you got to start the compressor in the truck, get a cord out again. That takes a lot of time. It's quick and it's strong, durable. That's what I like about the fuel line.
The impression that we have of Milwaukee as a brand is durability and quality. The new impact definitely fits into that. Definitely impressed with the performance and how the tool just works so well.
Here we have the new 18-volt 3-speed impact wrench. This wrench is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for any additional chargers or batteries. This is one of over 40 great tools for your home and garden, all of which are powered by the same 18-volt battery platform, giving you the ultimate versatility in your tool selection. As part of the OnePlus system, you can use any of the ryobi 18-volt batteries to power the wrench. This wrench has a 1/2-inch drive, so it's easy just to fit your sockets on there. And it has 3 LEDs around the socket, so regardless of what angle you hold the tool at, you've always got a well-lit area. The great thing with this drill is you can also turn down the speed and the torque to match different applications. For example, to take this wheel off, we'll turn it up to full speed, full power to loosen the nuts up. Now we'll turn down to the second setting, so we have more control when we take these nuts all the way off. Now we'll turn down to the lowest speed, so when we put the new nuts on, we can just snug them up to the wheel before we tighten them up with a torque wrench. The power and 3-speed control of this impact wrench make it ideal for a wide variety of applications. Because of the impact mechanism, you can even use it to drive huge fixings, with little resistance being felt at the wrist. Being cordless, you can take this impact wrench anywhere without the need for a compressor or a power outlet. And with one 4-amp battery, you can fit up to 50 wheels like this on one charge.
Want to get your job done fast no matter what you throw at your tool? Well, get wet, get dirty, no probs with Hitachi's 18-volt brushless impact wrench. IP56 rated means it's dust and water resistant for all the roughest conditions on the worksite. To tackle the toughest jobs, this animal cracks a fat 305 Newton meters maximum torque. Careful not to bust a nut, cocky. Easily select the right power and speed for the job. A friction ring holds the socket onto the anvil, allowing smooth socket changes. Hitachi's brushless motor provides increased power and performance, longer battery life, increased durability, and a high power to weight ratio. Hitachi's extreme high capacity 6 ampere lithium ion battery gives you maximum run time. The multiple protection circuit protects your battery and your tool. It provides overload protection, which stops the tool instantly in case of a jam. The rapid charger keeps you charged up fast and ready to go. This wrench is fully compatible with all of Hitashi's 18-volt lineup. Hitashi's Brushless Impact Wrench. Out now.
Hello, this is Martin at Makita. I've got in front of me the DTW285. So this is the new 1/2 inch brushless impact wrench. Being a brushless machine, on the top here you've got your battery indicator, and by pressing the button you can change the settings between soft and hard torque. So we've got soft torque, medium and high. The maximum fastening torque on this machine is 285 Newton meters of torque, and it has a nut busting torque of 400 Newton meters. This machine also features a new system. So if we press the button again, we've got one light illuminated there. What this is now, it has an auto stop in reverse. So if I put the machine into reverse now, and when we pull the trigger, you can see there it doesn't run for very long. So if I was undoing a bolt or a nut, as soon as the nut comes undone, within 0.2 of a second, you can see the machine switches itself off. So if you are running off a nut off a car wheel or a scaffold, it stops and doesn't undo the nut completely off the thread, so you don't lose the bolt. So we'll just show you that again. So you can see it stops within 0.2 of a second after reaching maximum revolutions, so the nut would stay on the thread and you don't lose the nut on the floor or down through the scaffolding. Like most machines, you've got a variable speed trigger, forward and reverse switch, LED lights, and you can see it can come supplied with a 5 amp hour battery. So that's the DTW285 1/2 inch impact wrench, and it's available in tool stock.
Here it is, folks, the main event, the star attraction, the best of the best in the ultimate sibling rivalry. Here we have the industry-leading air tool from Ingersoll Rand, the reigning champion, the lean, the lightly, the legendary 2135 TI Max. With 780 foot-pounds reverse torque, 1100 foot-pounds nut-busting torque, and classic air tool design, no other impact tool has ever come close to its strength, durability, and performance until now. And here we have the most powerful cordless 1/2 inch impact tool in the world. The undefeated newcomer from Ingersoll Rand. The rare, the robust, the revolutionary W7150. With 780 foot-pounds reverse torque and 1100 foot-pounds nut-busting torque, it's the only cordless that belongs in the same class as the industry's best air tool. The wait is over, folks. The event is almost here. Get ready as 2 Ingersoll Rand impact tools prove that no one can even come close to competing with them. With capabilities equal to each other but superior to any other, these knockout performers pack a 1-2 punch. Only Ingersoll Rand could create a cordless tool to match its industry-leading air tool. Introducing the new W7150, the most powerful cordless 1/2 inch impact